Hello my friends, welcome back to a brand new episode on SpaceX IFt. Today we are diving into the latest update from NASA and the Artemis program. NASA is pushing the boundaries of what is possible when it comes to the rocket industry. The first crew mission around the moon is now targeted for April 2026 after delays for safety checks on Orion life support and the heat shield. Over at SpaceX Starbase, Starship's integrated flight tests are ramping up. Flight 10 is set for late August, focusing on improved re-entry and payload doors. At Starbase also, the Gigabay is rising up quickly as the Gigabay is already under construction, rivaling NASA's VAB in sight for stacking multiple Starships. Also at the launch site, incredible work is ongoing at Pad-2 as there has already been significant tests of the Launch Complex 2. Finally, Booster System is also receiving its flight termination system. This and many more to be shared on today's episode on SpaceX IFt. If you haven't subscribed to the channel yet, what exactly are you waiting for? Kindly smash the like button, subscribe to this channel so that you do not miss any of our future updates. Dropping a video each week is my specialty and you do not want to miss any of them. Let's dive right in, shall we? Behold the majestic realm of space exploration, where innovation dances on the edge of tomorrow. Today we delve into the heart at Starbase, captured by the lenses of LabPadre, witnessing the intriguing ballet of booster quick disconnect testing. Amidst the towering steel sentinels, engineers orchestrate vital preparations, ensuring seamless harmony for future celestial voyages. As the sun kisses the horizon on the August eve, these diligent endeavors whisper promises of grandeur. The BQD arm, a pivotal conduct of power and propellant, undergoes meticulous scrutiny, fortifying the path to the stars. SpaceX has already started significant testing on Launch Complex 2. We spotted the BQD undergoing several tests and I have to say, it was incredible to see. Also in an update regarding Launch Complex, significant testing was spotted being made after ift-9 in preparations for ift-10. As the azure skies embraces Starbase, a pivotal chapter unfolds as Launch Complex 1. Behold, the grateful choreography of the booster quick disconnect assembly, extending and retracting in harmonious precision, courtesy of the vigilant LabPadre lenses. In this critical pre-launch ritual, the BQD arm, a vital lifeline for fueling the colossal Starship, demonstrates its flawless powers. Serenity reigns as mechanisms whisper assurance of readiness. Captured on the eve of destiny, this testing illuminates the meticulous craftsmanship propelling humanity's stellar aspirations, each extension a step closer to the heavens, each retraction a testament to engineering elegance. With Starship ift-10 hovering on the horizon at T-minus a few days, the air thrums with anticipation, navigational augments in distance, oceans foretell an epic ascent, waving dream into reality. Such spectacles evokes the profound beauty of exploration, where innovation defies gravity and ignites the soul. In this moment, we glimpse the boundless potential etched in steel and ambition. Also another update in the velvet shroud of night, Starbase awakens with whispers of ambition. Gaze upon the luminous dance at Pad-2, where the GSE Bunker exhales its first lethal vents, a symphony of progress captured by LabPadre's lenses. For the inaugural time, we behold this spectacle, plumes of vapor ascending like ancient spirits, heralding the dawn of rigorous testing. The bunker, a fortress of engineering marvel, pulses with lifeblood of future flights. Yet, the drama unfolds further as Pump Farm's fan boxes surge with energy, nearly bursting forth in metaphoric glory. These intricate maneuvers unravel the mysteries of Pad-2, a realm brimming with enigmatic allure that captivates even the most seasoned observers. Amidst this nocturnal ballet, the countdown to Starship ift-10 takes inexorably. T-minus 4 days and counting, navigational warning echoes across the Gulf and Indian Oceans, while NOTAMs graze the skies over Texas and Caicos, signaling an impending odyssey to the stars. Such endeavors remind us of humanity's boundless curiosity, where each test propels us closer to celestial mysteries. The fascinating lingers, for in this depth of complexity, wonders await discovery. SpaceX keeps pushing the boundaries of what is possible when we talk about rocketry. The amazing team of engineers are pushing the limit of what is possible. Just so, access to space travel could literally be as simple as boarding a bus. A future where this happened will be absolutely mind-blowing. Also another update beneath the twilight veil at Starbase. Shadows stare with purpose, illuminated by the fading sun. Intrepid crews are sent via mechanical arms to commune with Booster 16. In this continual vigil, witness the delicate artistry of flight termination system maintenance. Covers are deftly removed and reinstated, a ritual shrouded in precision, where no new elements are introduced into the enigmatic enclosure. Speculations whisper that the explosive charges lie dormant within, pre-installed and now awakened through intricate wiring. This guidance of safety ensures controlled destinies amidst the unpredictability of cosmic leaps. As Starship ift-10 draws near, with the clock ticking inexorably at T-minus mere few days, such meticulous labors forge the unbreakable chain, linking Earth-boundary dreams to stellar realities. In this ethereal moment, humanity's audacious spirit gleams, transforming steel colossal into vessel of exploration that defy the gravitational embrace. Also another update regarding NASA and the Artemis 2 moon rocket. We are inside a vertical assembly building where the mighty space launch system, or the SLS, is taking shape. This beast is set to carry humans back to the moon. Check out these incredible views. The SLS core stage, painted in that iconic orange, is flanked by two massive solid rocket boosters. Together, they will deliver over 8.8 million pounds of thrust, enough to lift this gigantic 322-foot tall rocket into space. Teams of engineers and technicians are working around the clock. As of August 21st, 2025, this rocket is prepped for the Artemis 2 mission, which will send astronauts on the lunar flyby. Precision is key. Every bolt and weld is critical. The SLS is more than just a hardware. It's the backbone of the Artemis program, paving the way for sustainable lunar exploration. With the Orion spacecraft on top, it is designed to carry crew and cargo beyond low Earth orbits. Stay tuned for more updates as we count down to launch on the Artemis rocket. It will be an incredible sight. Thank you for staying with us to the end. If you enjoyed the video, kindly smash the like button, subscribe to this channel so that you do not miss any of our future updates. Watch these videos right here. They were my previous upload and it was a banger. And I will talk to all of y'all in the next episode. Thank you for staying with us.